Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. We are here with part two. We're taking a look at the C8s that are available at the major Corvette dealerships here in the DFW area. So now we are at Corvette Warehouse. You guys know Corvette Warehouse. We've been here many times, and we're gonna take a look and see what kind of C8s they have available here today. So let's do that right now. So we'll start here in the back. This is one that's mixed in with all of the C7s. By the way, they have a lot of inventory. I mean, we have all of these C8s that we're gonna look at. The 7s, some 6s and some 5s, and then of course we have out back, there's a whole bunch of Corvettes, 2 other warehouses. So if you're looking for an older generation or there's 7s out there, there's just everything. Man, come check out Corvette Warehouse in Dallas, but check this out. Now, don't look at this information on here because that is actually incorrect. It is not Seawolf Gray, it is Hypersonic Gray, but it's a 24 Hypersonic Gray Stingray with the plastic front splitter. This one has the blue brake calipers, which is pretty cool. I don't know that I've seen any on the Hypersonic Gray. It has 36,920 miles and it is $61,995. This one has the transparent top, which is of course removable. And your interior, this is a 1LT, still doing some cleaning up on this one. And of course you have the small spoiler for the non-Z51 right here, paint matched. But we are moving on right here. We have an Arctic White. This one is a 2024 2LT with the edge red brake calipers. And of course it's, as a Z51, has the Z51 3-piece front splitter. It's got 2,662 miles, 75,995. The interior is red and black with the red stitching. This is a 2LT, I believe it is. Isn't that what I just said? Yes, it is a 2LT. But I do like Arctic White. I feel like it's a blank slate. You can put stripes on it. You can leave it plain. You can do all kinds of cool stuff, whatever it is that you choose to do. And this one has the chrome tips. And just as a heads up, somebody goes, man, too much dialogue in the video. I was like, well then, you know, Corvette Warehouse has their own channel and it has a lot less talking on most of the videos, except for the ones that I do for them on there. So if you don't like the content, go to Corvette Warehouse's YouTube channel. They do have the YouTube channel. Look for the videos that I didn't do. So, hey, it's all good. I don't mind. I'm gonna do what I do on my videos and I don't plan to change. Right here, we have a 2020 something Red Mist, 21 Red Mist, 43,285 miles, 61,995. Black wheels with the machined edge, carbon flash black mirrors. Again, 43,285 miles, 61,995. This is a, I believe a 1 or a 2LT right here. A Z51's got the Z51 spoiler. And this one obviously is the coupe, and it has the rear camera, which is huge when you're trying to drive through here. And it has the GT1 seats. But of course, this has the front cameras, which is huge if you're pulling them in. I think it helps. Right here, have a beautiful rapid blue. And this is interesting. They added this piece right here. I don't know if you can see that. That is different. That is some aftermarket added, and it's kind of cool looking. Something different for sure. I always like to see different 5VM front splitter, 5VM side skirts. And that is the beautiful sound of the V8. But this one is, you see all the Alcantara microfiber suede inside here on the 3LT, the black with red stitching. This one also has a front lift. And it's got the little winglets on the rear carbon flash spoiler right here. And even has carbon fiber on the rear splitter. But again, bright red brake calipers on here. Kind of tight. Let's see if we can get back and get you a good view. The Trident wheels. But the C8R right here looks like my little tag. I had to run around and put some stickers on here because I didn't know what everything was on all of these. But the C8R Accelerate yellow with the yellow stripes. This one has a carbon fiber 5VM front splitter, carbon fiber right there on that vent area, edge yellow brake calipers, Trident wheels, carbon fiber on the mirror caps. But check it out, you have your GM C8 Corvette flag on here, the high wing, the edge yellow brake calipers. There's a lot of yellow mixed into this car. And of course, they all have the same, you know, interior right here. But looking really, really good. I love the yellow stitching, but just so you know, this is a 23. That's the only, or 22, 3LT. Actually, correct me if I'm wrong. 22? It is 22. I guess so, yes, 22. The C8R. Hey, I try to question things because, you know, I guess that's my conspiracy theory mind. I have to recollect on when things were made. But 22, 3LT, 6,960 miles, 81,995. Doesn't that sound good? You gotta love that. Especially when you're out running around. Sounds fantastic. Gentlemen in here checking out that red mist right there. Shadow gray. Woo. So you gotta love that. Hey, so you don't want to, so you don't make your neighbors mad. So, yeah, my neighbors are cool, man. They don't mind my loud cars because they have them of their own. See, you gotta love that sound. I don't know if it'll pick it up, but we're getting the sound. You gotta love it. I love when we're out driving and we slam the gas and just, it sounds so good. I'm sorry, it just does. 21 1LT Shadow Gray, 59,068 miles, 58,995. This is a really cool color. I actually do like this color quite a bit. The red GT1 seats. Say again, 1LT. Convertible, which to me is huge. I love convertibles on these cars. I don't regret getting the convertible. Coupe's fine too, but I just really like it. Torch red, a 23 with 6,338 miles, 2LT, 76,995. Step back and look. Yeah, you got to keep that thing in sport mode. Mine is always, the sound is always in sport mode, even if I'm driving in touring mode. But very nice inside. The GT1 seats. And this is a convertible, so that it has the painted roof, nacelles, but carbon flash painted nacelles, body paint colored roof with the carbon flash Z51 spoiler. Really, really nice. We'll check these out and then we'll make our way back around. But the Jake Skull, I'm a big fan. I did that on mine, 23, 3LT, 62,000. See, look, there you go. There's the convertible. And you can do this while you're driving. I think it's up to 30 miles an hour. I generally don't like to do that. I prefer to do it when I'm going about 5 miles an hour maybe. But very nice. I love it. So much more convenient than having to get out and take off your roof. But another red mist right here, 23, 3LT, 6,280 miles, 76,995. Can't read my own writing, I was in a hurry. So this has got a little bit of the Stingray R package on it with the Stingray R stickers. And the Z51 on here with the paint matched Z51 spoiler, black tips, the bright red brake calipers, Trident wheels. And it's got the natural interior. Is it natural dipped or natural black? Yep, natural dipped right there. The natural dipped interior. Very nice looking car. I will tell you, like I said before, I ended up buying a Red Mist style truck. It's not quite the same as Red Mist. I actually think the Red Mist looks a little better. Mine's a little bit lighter. I wish it was exactly this color, but man, this is a great color, especially in this kind of lighting. 2023 Red Mist. 53,869 miles, 62,995. It is a 2LT. It's a non-Z51, but you have your front cameras right there. And of course, I love it because you have a frunk, you have a trunk, so much to help with carrying stuff, which you guys know we've looked at many a time. But nice interior. Step back here, we got an Arctic White 2021. Again, to me, I love the Arctic White. You can leave it, but you can do so much with it to get that contrast. 2LT, 50,669 miles is 63,995. There's no front splitter, but there is a 5 VM side skirt and the paint matched high wing on here. And this one is a convertible, the hard top convertible. This one has a Corsa exhaust on there, and it looks like maybe the diffuser fins from like EOS or somebody like that. I don't have the information on this one because I don't know if they don't have it in there or what, but a beautiful Amplify Orange 23 3LT and it has 3,435 miles, 71,995. Has aftermarket wheels, which are Vossen. So these are the ones that I actually had on my car a while back. If any of you guys remember those, the Vossen HF5s right there. It's got a plastic front splitter. And I like it because they're wider. They went ahead and went wider, kind of like I did. You see how this one sets in, this one sticks out. It fills out that wheel well. Although I would recommend some gravel guards. Got the duck bill on here, an aftermarket duck bill. And looks as if it has the black exhaust tips. This one also has a front lift with all the microfiber suede and the convertible painted. I assume this has the painted roof, painted the same as carbon flash black, painted roof in the cells, looking good. The orange stitching, absolutely love that. What do you guys think with the orange seat belts? But a really good looking car. Now here's something I don't know if I ever thought I would like, but I'm looking at it in person. I'm actually really curious what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments if you're paying attention to the video, not just scrolling, and you're listening to me right now. Let me know what you think of this. Accelerate yellow with the natural dipped interior. What do you guys think about that? Does that match to you? I'm gonna tell you in person, I like it. I just think it looks cool. It's interesting, it's different. I don't know if it matches, but that wouldn't prevent me from doing it. So, and of course it has the forged wheels right here, very nice. 3LT because you see all the microfiber suede in here. But what do you guys think? Let me know. I'm actually very, very curious what your opinions are on it. It is a 23 3LT, 11,884 on the miles, 77,995. But I think it's pretty cool. Man, I can't, I don't know. I'm sitting here thinking. I need to know what you guys just think because I'm just curious, There is no right or wrong answer. You love it, you hate it, you could care less. I couldn't care less. But I am interested in people's opinion. I think I don't know. I've just never seen that color combination together before. I think Steve, Protective Bad Pranks, him. I think he mentioned that to me the other day that they had the Accelerate yellow, and he was like, I can't remember if he said he liked it or not. But again, we got this red mist, but we're gonna skip out on that because we are running low on time. There's my buddy over there, Mario, cleaning up the cars. One of those guys that puts these cars an inch from the other one. He does a fantastic job, super cool guy. Love Mario. But that's gonna do it for today. So if you haven't been out here, come check it out. Corvette Warehouse, Corvette World, two dealerships that I do a lot of stuff with, and I love everybody that work at them, and great people. And of course, I love Corvettes. Anyway, everybody, have a great week. Thanks for watching.